The Volcano Tournament. The Volcano Tournament? Bro, what a stupid name. I know, right? Yeah, we can probably all agree on that. I mean, he's kind of being specific. That's really what this is. As you can see, there's a literal volcano. What, there's a volcano? Wait, what is gonna happen to us? Oh. You know what? I don't know, Cartoon Melon, but I just hope that I don't die. I'm probably not even gonna die. I'm super cool and I'm fire and I cannot like get damage of fire. So I'm like immortal. Can you understand this game? I'm immortal. I'm basically like I'm immortal, exactly immortal. That's no fair though. Sorry, he got picked during all the mods I was playing this game. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Yes. Wait, no, I'm not kidding you. Well, really, I'm basically just gonna win this. I'm probably just gonna fight everybody because I'm like the best. Actually, guys, shout out to Melon Movies for inspiring me to make Melon Sandbox videos. Alright, bro. To be honest, I'm really just trying to win. I'm not trying to die. Well, since I cannot do nothing about this, because I cannot put them fireproof. Alright. Don't worry, everybody. Extinguish. No. Extinguish. Extinguish. Guys, hold up. Hold up. Oh! Why do you look like lava now? Okay. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, let me look for... Hold up guys. Okay guys, this is what I'm gonna do. Just these guys. Actually, I can do one more. For easy guys, okay. Are we gonna start this? Okay bro, just start. You guys start already. Yes! No! Eliminated. Why did he just disappear? Alright. Anyways. I'm winning this! Well, technically he died, so. Eliminated, even though he basically just made it. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so easy. I'm literally Fire Melon. Not so far. Not so far. Ah, no. Eliminated. No, I'm not letting this happen. Oh, thanks, dude. Yeah, you tried to fight me. You made everything better. No. Higher. Oh my gosh, I don't want it. Oh no. No, no, that's not happening. I'm getting fire melon, and I'm winning the challenge. No! Okay, if he burns, then that's bad. Oh, it's gonna be so bad. Oh! Don't fall, don't fall. Okay. Oh, where? Oh my gosh, I made it. Fireball. He died. So that means I can win this. 3D side melon as one. Wait, let's go, dude. But it's not the end. Wait, what? What do you mean it's not the end? Teleporting people? Teleported? What? What the? I'm so short! Yeah, you are, brother. Brother, what are you even doing here? Gosh. Here for the tournament. I signed up like you said to not do. I was trying to prank you. I didn't tell you that I signed up for it as a joke. And now I'm here. I guess you signed up for me. And you didn't want to stay. So that's messed up. Anyways, where are we? Oh my gosh. Survive pen. We're at the tournament. Oh my gosh. Hello, who are you? Oh, me? Oh, I'm Scammy Sammy. Scammy. I'm Scammy. Yeah, I'm Scammy. Alright, Scammy. What do you want to team up, bro? I bet. Oh. I'm just a mango, bro. I'm the newest mod in here. He's actually the latest mod that I got. Bro, alright. Let me just, Alright, yeah, guys, you can start. Scammy, go start. Wow. Okay, I broke my legs. No! People, human, help! Eliminated. Eliminated. Wow, 2 teamers just got eliminated. That's good. Oh! Ow. No! Eliminated. Nah, bro, I'm going first, not you. Get out. Yeah, let's go. I'm bad at this. Anybody die yet? No. Apples are in butter. No. I'm still alive. Still alive. Bro's a bomb. Oh. Yeah, he died. No, Mango, I will take revenge. Eliminated. Well, he died. How is he gonna take revenge? I don't know, Chipico. I don't know. I'm winning this. I'm winning this. What the? Yeah, buddy, that's what I thought. I'm gonna win this all. Okay, no. No. Alright. Alright, you guys have made it to the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if it's my big cake, let me just do that real quick. And subscribe for a big cake. Wow, this cake is alright. Anyways, see you in the next. Hold up, guys. See you in the next video. Have a nice day, and yeah, bye. My clothes are on fire, aren't they? Ah! Ah! Good thing that melted. A knife. Ooh. Ah! Ow. I'll put you into lava. Nah. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh wow, how am I not dead? Dive. Okay guys, watch him swim. Watch me swim. Feels so good to swim, bro. Ugh. Ugh. Doesn't it feel good to swim? Wait, why are my clothes all orange? That's so weird. I'm actually walking on lava? Oh, backflip. Where do the little ball thingies come out of? Oh, gosh. Feels so good to swim. Anyways, now let me really swim in a pool. Hold up, let me get back up to the surface. Hey, why is it all? I'm only at 15% now. Okay, anyways. Let's go to the water pool. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's so good here. Okay, let me swim back up. Okay, now. Alright, just swim out here. Feels so nice. Hey, Coral, come in. Ugh. Wait, I'm alive. Oh, this is water, silly. Let's do water fights. This is so fun. This is so fun. Yeah, Cora? You good? No. Hey, there's white stuff on my leg. I wonder what that is. It's definitely not Cora's blood because he's alive. Ugh. Fresh water again. Hey buddy, I actually survived. So, like, I need to breathe. Oh my gosh, how are you just there, just chilling? How are you not dying? Oh my gosh. Why do you breathe down there? You're just sticking an immortality syringe. That's what I have. Is it gonna kill me? Oh, Studley. What are you doing to me? Are you killing me? Wait, I'm good. Yeah, bro, she's... Oh my gosh. No, wait. You gotta let yourself go down. You know? No, I don't know. Alright, then bye. All the originals are VIPs. I can't breathe. No, get off it. A shark! Oh gosh, I'm not a shark. Wait, what the? Oh wait, can I put some knife on this line? Let's see. There's no... Okay. Well, this is the best thing, right? Yeah. Hey! Oh, that's not good. Let's do spacesuit. I need a brief though. Go down. Wait, where's it? Shark. Hey, shark. Not a shark. Trying to go all the way down. Oh my gosh. Alright, cool. Trying to go up. Nice, I didn't ask. He literally just stopped breathing. I made that happen because he's dead. How is he still standing? I'm still standing after all this time. Yeah. What? He's down there. Yeah. Hello. Oh, he's sleeping. Huh? What the? Dun, dun, dun. What the? Oh, hi, buddy. Ah. Oh. What the? How'd I get my leg in you? This never happened. Oh. God. Where is he? What? That guy dumb. He tried to push me in. Oh, God. I really almost got you there, though. What the? Who are you? Oh, did the kid land in water? Land in water. Bouncing. By the way, guys, we're gonna make this video 30 minutes. It's probably gonna get no views. If you're seeing this, give it a like and subscribe. Yeah, it helps me out. Somehow, it helps me out. I don't know how, though. Yeah, relax, bro. Jeez. Relax. Even look, he's relaxing. He's not even... He's alive, except he's just not moving because he's sleeping. Look, he's sleeping. My guy's sleeping. Oh, see, didn't? No. I'm kind of bored. You do one. So far, this was a fun video. No! What's up? Hello? Die. Oh, yeah, he died. Oh, bro, didn't die. Oh! You know what? Let me just put some shorts on. Oh, here. Ah! Clean your feet. Okay. What else? Give me something. Alright, bro, I got you. No. I want to be a wizard. What? No. No, we're not doing this again. No. Oh my god. You're kidding me. Yeah, so I like it. What was that? Yes, that's more like it. Okay, I'm taller. How am I not dead, too? Yeah, oh. Ah! Oh. I just got flinged for no reason. Ah! Oh, flinging me! I don't know if he likes it. Oh! Oh, I missed. I am the master of this pool, and you do what I say. Alright, buddy. What do you got to say then? That I was special. I'm making it. Let's go. Yeah, let's do this. Ah! Oh. Oh, look at this new guy. Here, let me give him one of these. Ah! Alright, let me get out. So, what was there, bro? About to hit 30 minutes, guys. Alright. What is it? Oh. What is it? Oh. Oh, hello. You must be new. Who's there? Oh, is this you? Yeah, bro. Just me. Oh, shoot. Wait, well, let's throw that in the pool. Let's figure everything out first. First, who are you? Oh shit, he died. Wait a minute. I seen him in the originals fight, and I seen you in the superpowers. Wait a minute. You don't have to wear clothes. You don't have to follow laws. I killed Melon early in that video. But this is not Melon. This is the host. The host. Huh? Now what you doing, bro? I don't want it. To the pool. Oh, he found out. Oh, shoot, he found out. Why are you putting us in adventures or something? Tell me why. I can do whatever I want, buddy. And you can't do nothing about that. Yeah, sure I can't. Yeah, sure you can. 'Cause you can't. Yes, I can! But if you keep trying to fight me, you don't want to know what's gonna happen. Then show me. Alright, then. Bye-bye. It's weird people these days, right? I'm just trying to take my break. Oh boy. Oh my god. Why would I do that? Floating down in the water. Hello there. What the? I stay in the pool and I right. Can't float up. Oh no, I can't float back up. I can't float. Engine to shoot. We'll never find out. We just want everybody so they can survive. I know you're gonna torture me in the video. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Help, I can't breathe. Attackers. You're gonna make us fight in the extra videos. You're gonna kill us. Like all of them know it. Where are they finding it out? I need to figure out. Oh my gosh. Everybody died. Alright. As I forgot about everything. Oh, right. Alright. Out of all of the mods, none of them are safe. Good job. Quest. Ugh. Stupid quests. I'm gonna do everything I want. Okay. Okay, guys. Hold up. Alright, guys. I just got my charger. I'm at 5%. Come on, we're so close. We're literally about to hit 40 minutes into the video. That's insane. Dun dun dun. Everything turns back to normal. The program starts working though. What you thought was just a volcano tournament was one of the most interesting, one of the most longest in this channel. It was one of the most storytelling videos in this channel. You thought this was just going to be a normal tournament. Seems you was wrong. This was the whole story. Then sent us to a new world. Oh, nice. By the way, tell me if you found the sneak peek during the video. Oh, what's this? Ooh. I can't fit through. No worry, I'll send you in. No. No. What the? No. No. Oh, no, don't send me in there. What the? No. Don't do this to my friend. Friends? Oh. No. What the? I didn't even know this was here. Hi. No, you can't do this to me. You can't do this to me. You can't do this to me. Escape! No, no. No! No. No, I'm going in there. No way. No, no. Yes. Ah, ah. There's some type of joker. Ooh. Wait, how the heat? Wait, why is it black now? Wait, that's cool. How does he burn in water? Yes, water. Hey, it's up. Then it went to the next map. Love pool. Boom, boom, boom. Huh? What the? What? I'm not even doing anything. Put it the right speed. What the? No! No, Melon! I didn't even do nothing. How dare you? Wait, what's happening? I'm not even trying to move. No. No! What are they doing? Push. Ah! No, I'm pushing you guys before you can do it to me. Chill out, cactus. I'm gonna do it to you. He's controlling us. Ah! What the? No. No, he's not doing nothing to me. You could be in. Wait, you broke me. In the original fight. And then you go. Oh, and you too. After you just heard that. No. And that's the end of the story. But there will be more adventures that I will make. Bye.